The foyer area of a house serves as the entryway and first impression of the home. It's a transitional space that bridges the outside world with the interior, often reflecting the overall design style of the house. The foyer typically includes functional elements like a console table, mirror, and storage solutions for keys or shoes, ensuring it's both practical and welcoming. Lighting plays a crucial role, with options like chandeliers or wall sconces adding elegance and warmth. Flooring in the foyer should be durable and easy to maintain, often complemented by an area rug or runner for added texture. Personal touches such as artwork, plants, or decorative items can make the space feel inviting and reflect the homeowner's personality. Ultimately, a well-designed foyer is a blend of style and functionality, setting the tone for the rest of the home. Designing a foyer area is an opportunity to create a welcoming and stylish first impression. The foyer, as the first space guests see, sets the tone for the rest of the home. Thoughtful design elements can make this area functional and aesthetically pleasing, regardless of its size. Start by considering the overall style of your home. The foyer should reflect and complement the interior design, whether it's modern, traditional, rustic, or eclectic. A consistent theme throughout the house makes the transition from the foyer to the main living area seamless. For instance, if your home features modern decor, the foyer could include sleek, minimalist furniture with clean lines and neutral colors. Lighting is crucial in a foyer. It should be both functional and decorative. A statement chandelier or pendant light can add elegance and make the space feel more inviting. For smaller foyers, wall sconces or recessed lighting can provide the necessary illumination without overwhelming the space. Consider adding a table lamp on a console table if there's space, which can offer soft, ambient light and a touch of style. The flooring in the foyer should be durable, as this area will see a lot of foot traffic. Materials like tile, hardwood, or stone are popular choices. Adding an area rug or a runner can introduce texture and color, while also protecting the flooring. If you choose a rug, ensure it's suitable for high-traffic areas and easy to clean. Storage is another important aspect of a foyer design. If space allows, a console table with drawers or a small cabinet can provide storage for keys, mail, and other essentials. For a more minimalistic approach, wall-mounted shelves or hooks can serve the same purpose without taking up floor space. A decorative ball or tray on a console table can also help keep small items organized and prevent clutter. A mirror in the foyer is both practical and decorative. It provides a place for last-minute checks before heading out the door and can also make the space feel larger and brighter by reflecting light. Choose a mirror that complements the style of the space, whether it's an ornate frame for a traditional look or a sleek, frameless option for a modern feel. Adding personal touches to the foyer can make the space feel more welcoming. Artwork, family photos, or decorative objects that reflect your personality can be displayed on the walls or on a console table. A small bench or a pair of chairs can provide a place to sit while putting on shoes and can also add a cozy element to the space. If you have the room, adding greenery like a potted plant or a vase of fresh flowers can bring life and color to the foyer. Finally, consider the flow of the space. The foyer should feel open and uncluttered, allowing for easy movement. Avoid overcrowding the area with too much furniture or decor. Instead, focus on a few key pieces that enhance the space's functionality and style. With careful consideration of these elements, your foyer can become a welcoming and stylish entryway that sets the tone for your entire home.